Hey everyone, it's Amy. I have been really trying to keep track with printing the photos, but I haven't really been scrapbooking, except I had a friend over and we scrapbooked, and so I want to show you guys that progress. I do really want to go back to blogging what I am scrapbooking, and so I ended up doing some stuff to my blog and switching it over, and I'll talk more about that in another video coming up for you guys. All that to say, I have not blogged these projects yet. I've been working on tweaking my blog, and so they are not up on the blog. One of the things with me being out of scrapbooking so much is I don't have a whole lot of new products, and that means the products that I do have are not things I can link to for you guys. So it's just going to be, you know, more for inspiration, not for enabling you guys to purchase some things, since it's all older stuff. So here is my 2018 album. I do plan on doing a cover page. I thought about maybe taking one photo a month, and so that'll be 12 photos across if they're all 3x4 photos. So that'll be one for each month for this year. I thought that would be really neat. 2018 over the pictures. That's my thought in my head. So I could do 3x4s that are in the middle, say 2018, with that program that I have. So I'm thinking about doing that. And so moving into the album, I actually did make this 12x12 page, and it has been so long since I scrapbooked. I forgot how much fun that I could have with it, so I really had fun making this one. I used some thickers for the alphabet here, but I didn't have any more ends left, so I just turned a Z sideways for the N for that one. And then these are old freckled fawn things. They're probably no longer available because they came with monthly kits. I've got some L Studio paper, and I don't know what the other papers are. And then these are die cuts that I got. They're actually from a Christmas pack. And then this is an L Studio sticker from one of their old packs that's now been discontinued, I'm sure. And then to go along with this page, I went ahead and decorated the matching Project Life page for the same week. I had already written on these with the Little Moments app, but I needed to decorate it a little bit, so I added some freckled fawn items. These are freckled fawn. I think this is a really old Cocoa Daisy shape, and this one came from one of my newer packs of things. Let's see if I can find it here. That one I actually pulled from this Dear Lizzie pack. I don't know what collection this is part of. It doesn't say on there, but that's one of my most recent purchases. I did hauls months and months back, some of my newer stuff, but it's not actually new stuff. And then these are some L Studio letters on this part, because I didn't actually write on this photo. And so this is the other page that I worked on. I've got this 2-page spread done. So I've got a page here. I used some die cut shapes to just cut out paper for these letters, and then some old freckled fawn items. These came from some sort of die cut pack that I've had before. That is actually a Felicity Jane item, and then that is freckled fawn. That page came together really quickly. And then I also worked on the coordinating Project Life page for here. And so one of the things with this, I wrote Super Bowl picnic party, but this was actually the national championship. So I just cut a little piece of paper and wrote on there just to cover it up, because I didn't want to have to find the photo again and reprint it again. I added some of the same little hearts over on this side. I think this is a doodlebug shape here. L Studio. Let's see. And then these are freckled fawn. That's an L Studio from a long time ago too. So all the stuff's like, I'm pretty sure all the stuff has been discontinued, but that's as far as I got. So I just did those two-page spreads, and that was it. But I wanted to walk you guys through it and show you guys my progress in the album. I do hope to get these blogged very soon, and I'll talk to you guys more about the blogging aspect of things. That's really all I have to share with you guys today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video looking at my progress. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.